Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create impact bubble chart in Power BI. So for this, we will go on the canvas of Power BI. Click on Get More Visuals. Now, click here and on Change over the time. Scroll. So activate this impact bubble chart. Click here. As soon as you will add this, by pressing this add, this visualization will appear in the Power BI interface. Here is it. Click on it. Now we will have to specify the name, x-axis, y-axis. So in name, pick up the subcategory. In x-axis, pick up the sales. In y-axis, pick up the profit. In play axis, pick up the month. And in the size, pick up the quantity. Activate the focus mode. Press play. So you can see in the month of March, April, May, what's the progress in our sales vis-a-vis profit vis-a-vis the quantity. Now there is a left bar and right bar. So in the left bar, I can pick up the shipping mode. You can see here in the left, on the left hand side of this bubble, bars are appearing. On right hand side, I can pick up the segment. So this is how you can create the impact bubble chart in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Link given in the description box.